It's black and white.
Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to apply a tempered glass screen protector on a Galaxy S7 Edge. I bought this off eBay, of pretty good quality. It came in a really good case here, a protector for a protector. It also came with a couple of wipes. There was this one, there was a second one, there was a dry one, and also came with a wet one, but they were both already dry, so I think they must have been sitting there for quite a while, so the alcohol in this wipe dried. So I'm gonna get rid of these, but instead I am going to use one of my own alcohol wipes. And even they're supposed to come with this one of these towels. It didn't come with one of these towels, so I am going to use one of my own. It did come with this dust absorber sticker and also the guide sticker. We don't really need the guide sticker for tempered glass, so I think it's probably just a generic thing that they chucked it in the box. And I also got a clean microfiber towel here in case I need it. So first thing first, we're gonna clean it with some alcohol wipes. If you don't have one of these wipes, or if it doesn't come with one of these, you can also use a bit of rubbing alcohol that does pretty good job as well. So here we are, got our wet wipe, and we are going to give it a really good clean. Make sure you get all the edges because that's where the glue is going to stick, so you want it nice and clean, no issues there whatsoever. And don't be concerned about all the liquid on your screen because it's just alcohol and it's just going to evaporate anyway. Alright, so that should be quite clean. I'm just going to chuck it in there for now, just in case if I need it for a touch-up. And we're going to get this our dry towel and we're going to dry it up. Actually, I'm going to pick it up in my hand so I don't have to touch the screen with my fingers. Okay, so it's all dry, but there's still a few streaks here which they haven't come off with this towel. So I'm going to use this microfiber towel and just buff it off. Alright, so the screen is absolutely clean now. So I don't think I'm going to need the dust absorber because there's no dust on the screen at all. So there you go. So here's the moment of truth. So what we're going to do is there's a sticker at the back of the screen that we need to take off, but before we do that you want to make sure that you know where you're going to apply it. So the way you're going to start it, you're going to start with the speaker grill at the top and make sure you align this the front facing camera and the sensors, and then you're going to slowly lower it until you touch the fingerprint sensor at the bottom, and then you're going to just lay it there and I'll walk you through the next step. I'm just going to recheck there's no dust landed on it. No, it doesn't look like it. Okay. Make sure you do it away from the screen so there's no dust from the protector itself that's going to land on it. And do not touch the glued part. Okay, so it's laid on perfectly. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply some pressure at the top from the center to the outside. So we're going to do that. Now just remember, because these protectors that do not have any glue in the middle, the only way it's going to stick to your screen is from these edges. So make sure we do that. Apply a decent amount of pressure here. And then we're going to go on the edges. Alright, it's done. So, but if you can see, I don't know if you can see here, you can still see a bit of glue kind of adhering to the surface. That will take a few days after you use that, you're touching your phone and all that, and it would kind of smooth out. So that's why you need to apply plenty of pressure. But at the moment, the screen protector, it's sticking perfectly in the middle, and I don't see it coming off from any edges or anything like that, and that's what you want. And this is how you apply a screen protector on a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. See ya.
It's black and white.